$85.
Is that a buckle?
I love buckles.
Looks like a buckle.
It looks decorative. Oh yeah.
Oh, would that be a shoe buckle?
Oh yeah.
I just broke.
All right, you just broke it. Hand it over.
That went across.
I think it's a sash.
That went across.
Oh y'all, look at it. It could have been a shoe buckle.
Shoe buckles are curved, I think.
Look at this, y'all. It is kind of curved. I can't see. Let me get in the shade before I heat up my phone real quick. Oh, I love it. This is probably the best one we've ever found. Even though Chuck broke that off of it.
It's barely hanging on.
Oh my gosh.
The Lucky Hot Dog sucks.
Yep, Lucky Hot Dog sucks. Yes.